morning and a warm welcome. I am Pradosh Sharma and you are watching News Flash. The Supreme Court reprimands Punjab and Haryana governments for not controlling stubble burning, which is a major cause of Delhi's worsening air pollution. A realtor has filed a case of extortion and intimidation against Union Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy and ex-MLC Ramesh Gowda in Bengaluru. Marathi, Pali, Prakrit, Assamese and Bengali granted classical language status, bringing the total to 11 in India. Information and Broadcasting Minister Ashwini Vaishnav said the historic move aimed to preserve the rich cultural heritage of India. Radical Islamic preacher Zakir Naik abruptly left an event in Pakistan after an announcer referred to orphan girls as daughters, citing they are not daughters, they are marriage materials. Bangladesh interim government orders the return of 5 diplomats, including the ambassador of India, in a major diplomatic reshuffle. The interim government has recalled its envoys in Brussels, Canberra, Lisbon, New Delhi, and the permanent mission to United Nations in New York. The interim government of Bangladesh denies for Durga Puja celebrations, citing security threats following reports of idol vandalism in several locations. Hindus in Bangladesh are still facing atrocities by the Muslim majority. A sculpture honoring a murder trainee doctor stirs controversy in Kolkata, with differing views on whether it's disrespectful or necessary. Ministry of External Affairs dismisses USCIRF's claims of worsening religious freedom in India, urging the organization to focus on US human rights issues. India called the body a biased organization with political agenda. CJI D.Y. Chandrachud warns a lawyer in Supreme Court against funny tricks after the lawyer cross-checked court orders with the master. Karnataka High Court denies bail to Afrat Ali in a ISIS related case, emphasizing national interest over individual liberty. India raises concerns over Pakistan's hospitality to fugitive Zakir Naik and his controversial statements during his visit. Naik, known as radical Islamic preacher, is wanted in India on terror-linked charges. Israeli military confirms eliminating Hamas leader Rawi Mustafa and top 2 officials in a Gaza airstrike amid escalating tensions. Britain ceded sovereignty of Chagos Islands to Mauritius while maintaining military operations with the US on Diego Garcia. 3 more Pakistani nationals arrested in Bengaluru following earlier arrest of 4 Pakistanis in a late-night police operations. 8 schools in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu received bomb threats, prompting swift deployment of police and bomb squads, though no explosives were found. 2 Meitei youths abducted by Kuki militants in Manipur were released after government's negotiations, no back-channel deal involved. Israel's military hits Hezbollah's intelligence headquarters in Lebanon, intensifying ground raids and airstrikes amid ongoing conflict in the Middle East. According to Lebanon's health ministry, 97 rescuers and firefighters have been killed since the escalation of Israel-Hezbollah war, which began in October last year. That's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching with us.